Hello everyone, today I will cover a very interesting topic related with network throttling index. I was inspired for this video from this document, okay, from another IT specialist, okay, and I decided to do something similar and test this option to see if for real, if we uh, disable network throttling index is bad in terms of DPC latency. So let's go on the video. So let's see let's say the definition of a network throttling index, and let's see the function of this mechanism maybe. Okay, first of all, the function is it's a setting in Windows that controls the flow of network data on your computer. Its primary function is to limit the flow of data to and from the network. Okay, and let's see now what is this chart. Okay, this chart illustrates the correlation between network flow and the network index, throttling index setting, okay, which ranges from 0 and to 100. The vertical axis represents network flow, indicating the rate or volume of data moving through the network. The horizontal axis represents the network throttling index settings, a parameter that influences how the operating system manages the network traffic. Okay, as the network throttling index setting increases, moving from the left to right along the horizontal axis, okay, network flow also increases, as you see on these lines, okay. This suggests that the higher network throttling index setting allows for a more efficient and faster flow of data through the network. Conversely, as the network throttling index setting decreases, flow decreases, indicating potential data transfer restrictions or throttlings, okay. In summary, this chart conveys how judgments to the network throttling index setting can impact the performance and efficiency of network data flow. It serves as a valuable tool for understanding the relationship between network configuration and data transfer rates. Okay, so that's the description of this chart, of this so simple chart. Okay, so let's see now my latency results, Windows Performance Analyzer. Let's see now the latency results. As you see, I did 5 trials. Each trial 3 minutes. Okay, and for every situation. Okay, here we have the results from network driver. Okay, and here we have the results. As you see, in maximum duration fragmented in microseconds, the latencies they have with enable network throttling index and in decimal 10 value. Okay, the same thing is in average duration fragmented. Again, we have the half latency, the half microseconds in average duration fragmented. However, in fragment enter time, the latency is higher, but it doesn't matter. Okay, we are talking for a very small difference, and we don't care so much from fragment enter time. Okay, we're focusing on these things on duration fragmented maximum and average. Okay, so according to these metrics, the latency is better and lower the DPC latency. Here we have the results only from DPC, not on something else. Okay, here we have the DPC latency. Okay, so as we said, better results we have with decimal 10 with network throttling index enabled. Okay, and of course multimedia class scheduler service is enabled. Okay, obviously you must have enabled this option. If I navigate to the registry, here I have my settings. Okay, we have in all my tests I had these settings. Okay, and obviously MMCSS enable. Okay, and I did the test with these parameters. Okay, only I changed this value on for my test. Okay, to compare these tests here. Okay, so my conclusion is keep enable this option, especially if you have multimedia class scheduler service enabled. Okay, otherwise this will not functional. Okay, will work with the wrong way. We'll say it simple. Okay, so keep enable multimedia class scheduler service. Keep enable this option. Okay, otherwise if you want, you can disable it and disable my multimedia class scheduler service. Now you will ask me, should I do more combinations? Maybe. Perhaps you can do your more combinations, But on my case, I will keep these results. Okay, I will keep enable this option, and I will set the decimal 10. And that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something today. Many people saying to disable this option, but you need to reconsider after this video what you will do with this option. Thanks for watching, guys.